Hi friends. Many of you have been taking your yoga journey with me on YouTube for some time now, and I'm really grateful to be part of your practice. And I'm really excited to extend to you my new offering, CCY Studio. So this is my online studio where we will expand the classes, we'll lengthen the practices so that we have more space to explore and more time for sweeter shavasanas as well. So if you're already with me on Om Yoga Tribe, then we're just going to bring you over to CCY Studio and we're going to expand the offerings. I'll be continuing to grow the on-demand library, and we'll be offering a couple live classes a month, which is really exciting. Not only that I can offer this to you, but then I get to connect with you more as well. So we'll be doing 2 live classes a month with myself, and I'll also invite some of my friends and guest teachers who I'm really excited to introduce you to. And we'll also do a satsang each month where we'll just meet and we'll have a talk and a meditation and just build some community. It's so important. If you're ready to continue your journey with me, then I invite you to bring your curiosity and meet me on the mat. We have a 7-day free trial, so you can check it out, no obligation, and see if it resonates. Really looking forward to this opportunity to move and breathe and connect with you. So I hope to see you at the studio.